when the pickup truck was loaded with rocks. So it went onto the crossing, but then it suddenly got stuck. The pickup driver was confused, so he hopped out to see what was wrong, and he actually got stuck. But then the crossing gates started closing, and he was like, "Oh no," he said, "the train is coming." So he ran. Luckily, Tyson was on path running on his passenger work. As he rounded the corner, he saw the pickup truck blocking the line. Tyson braked hard, but because of the weight of his coaches and the speed it's going, there wasn't anything he could do. Luckily, no one was hurt, but Tyson had crashed into the car and derailed. Ow! Ow! Said Tyson. "Driver, what happened? Why were my brakes working?" "I'm not sure." The driver of the truck came back. "My car!" he said. "You silly engine, you run over my car."